good time. Don't make me get my ram. Okay.
What's up? It's your boy, Jenks in the business. Today, we got an Amazon special. No. We're going to try out these mirrors on the Road Glide. I saw a couple of people had some more budget-friendly mirrors on their bikes, and so I figured I'd give a budget-friendly mirror a shot. And I think that they're going to look better than what's on the bike, but they're not some crazy spike or cross or something. They're pretty simple. So we need a 1/2-inch wrench to take the mirrors off the bike, and then we'll test fit these and see what they look like. Take this mirror off and we'll compare it to what the new mirror looks like. It's just a 1/2 inch. You could use a deep socket under here if you wanted. They're pretty snug. We may have to take them back off again later if I decide to put hand guards on, but it's a pretty simple system here. It's just going to be this nut with a washer. Obviously don't drop it on the tank, and then the stud comes out, and there we are. So there is the big stalker versus our aftermarket unit there. Honestly, I don't know that the aftermarket one may not be lighter. Picture there from the backside. You can see the mirror post has a natural curve back this way, so we want to make sure that's on this side. The actual mirror itself, you can flip around. It had a spacer washer because they're universal. Of course, the washer on top. So I want to make sure that the mirror is far enough forward that it's out of the way, but also where we can adjust it. The mirror actually sticks up a little bit higher than the stock mirror. So the big thing is we want to make sure the mirror is far enough forward that it doesn't interfere reaching for controls. And you want to kind of in line with everything else here. So what I'll do is I'll get it kind of snugged up where if we need to, we can tweak it. I'll sit on the bike, I'll get the mirror adjusted in a way that works for me and that I think looks good. I'll turn the handlebars and make sure that we don't have any fairing clearance issues, and then I'll take a picture of it from further back and let you see that. Okay, so I did the same on the driver's side, the other side, whatever you want to call it. So both mirrors are on. Sorry, it's dark in my dungeon of a garage at nighttime for sure. So here it is on this side. So here it is mounted on this side. You can see the arch. It's got a little detail to it. It's far enough forward that we've got plenty of room to reach in. It is in line with the other mirror, so all that looks good. So I'm gonna sit on the bike now. And see if I need to make any adjustments before I fully tighten them down, and then I'll get a better picture of them to show you what they look like. But I think for $40, I think they're pretty good. If I don't like them, I'll probably end up just buying some Arlen-S mirrors or something, but figured for a budget mirror they look pretty good. I got them cinched down tight, very sturdy. Mirror doesn't flop or flex. To be cheap, the clarity in the glass is actually really good. I'll show you what they look like from the other side. Let me get a light kind of on it. Here's the clarity of it. It's actually, I think it's a wider mirror than stock, which I think will be good from being a usable mirror standpoint. It's nighttime, but I haven't noticed any distortion in the glass, so it actually looks like it's going to be a pretty decent mirror. Here's the stock one in comparison. So yes, it actually is. So yes, it actually is a bit wider than the stock one. And that is about the height. So it's not much height difference, and it makes up for it in the width. I don't think they're so tall that they look out of place. I mean, let me get the light out of the way. Let's look at it from this way. I'll try to get you a better picture in the daylight too. It's late, it's 11 o'clock at night. Why am I? I'll try to get you a better picture of it in the daylight. It's hard to see in the garage. I've got to do something better with the lighting out here. But as of right now, I like them, and I think they look better than the stock ones. I'll leave a link for them in the description down there. Quick, easy, short video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about them, if you want a long-term review on them, or anything else I put on the bike, let me know, and I'll do what I can to make it happen. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, the bell, the comments, do all the things to do the things. With the garage door closed, you can see the mirrors a little bit better actually. Looks like I'm telling ghost stories. Oh my goodness. Ha 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 ha. I give up.